What's up, guys? proV here. And if you haven't noticed by the thumbnail or currently on the screen, so we got word on a post that, check this out. Don't play about me. For years, I've been fighting to prove my innocence. The whole time, the internet has been painting a false narrative to support the DA claims. Through it all, I remained silent and put my faith in God. The DA offered 6 years in prison, and I turned it down. Oh, damn, I didn't have the rest. But anyway, guys, which is it? Which is it? I mean, out of nowhere, you won the case that you never told anyone about? Or have you been snitching to get off the case for 6 years? You don't have any cases pending. What? I've been slanging since the age of 15, man. See, this is what we're dealing with, guys. So he's been saying this whole time he's got no cases. I have no pending cases, guys. None. I don't have any. But then, all of a sudden, he's got cases. Interesting. Just the fact 2 different cases got dismissed demonstrates a snitching type of deal. How is it possible you are innocent in both separate cases? He cooperated, guys. Yeah. Oh, it's true. And if you don't think so, well. So, it took like 4 years of his life because they held the charges for 2 years. So it was like 6 years of fighting a case. Continue. Let's continue. This is kind of weird, guys. This is kind of weird. So they got the meth case or the cocaine case and then brought up the heroin case to flip them. Second case had a zero-cost bond because he's a better criminal this time. Should have been $500,000, right? Double from the first case. They had to release him because proV spoke up and brought awareness to all of this shit. Because they'd be responsible if something happened to him. That's why it happened, period. And we already know that. The charges were dismissed because he cooperated. There's too many personalities. It's just how it is. It's just how it is. My boy Don Hun told me the whole time he knew he wouldn't get any time. He never paid for a continuance. He never paid for, It's true. Oh, it's true. He didn't have to do none of that. You see continuance after continuance, but he didn't pay a dime. But when he sits there and says he has no cases, that's just not true. He cooperated to have these charges dropped. And why all of a sudden are they gone? 2 separate cases dropped at the same time? It would have been better for him not to say anything than to post it. Look at this, guys. He's basically falling on his own sword. He's basically proving what I was telling you guys the whole time. basically telling what I've been telling you guys this whole time, that he's been working and working and working. Your 2 felony cases were dismissed. The attached document is a notice of your dismissal. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact our office. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great weekend. Kind regards, blah, blah, blah. Of course, I blanked it out. It doesn't matter, guys, because you already know who his legal teams are. You've seen it on my videos. And I'm willing to bet he's getting rid of the videos that have his information in it from the case. I'm willing to bet. It's very interesting, guys. It's very interesting. You shouldn't have said anything, Cherry, because now you're proving what proV said was true. And of course, you can go back on all my videos, watch them. Videos like this. Guys, and I thank you guys for watching, being subscribed to proV, because there's a lot to take in, guys. I know if you guys are new to the channel, there's a whole lot to take in. So if you want to jump down the rabbit hole, there's a whole lot of rabbit holes to jump down over here. Just want to show you guys one thing real quick. All right. We have Cherry's paperwork right here, folks. The Fair Use Act of. And this is one video that you ain't going to get taken down. And if you try, I already have a copy of this. So, good luck. All right, guys. So, as you can see, right here from 2020. Why did it take them 2 whole years? Did you see that? It took them 2 whole years to file all this shit. Why? I wonder. So, guys, as you can see, the 2 separate cases are right here. And this is all in the past, so trafficking, and did I have both of them on here or just one? I think I just had one. Okay. Well, either way, I guess that one works. Oh, there we go. I got both of them on here. So as you can see, guys, they don't disappear. Even when they say they're gone, they're not gone, folks. As you can see. So I don't know if this video will be a standard to show if he's trying to get rid of information. Go ahead, try and get this taken down. I dare you, because you know, Cherry, crime doesn't pay, and snitching when you're in the streets like you are doesn't pay neither. Oh shit! I just realized. Okay, you guys couldn't see none of that. So let me take this down for a second. Just for a second. And so you guys can see the video I just pulled up. You know, Sammy the Bull murdered like 20 people and only got 5 years. So it's a crazy legal system we got, guys. Real crazy. So as you can see, trafficking, 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 trafficking. And then you got the felony possession schedule 2, controlled substance. And why does it take them 2 years to file? That's what gets me right here. It's so freaking weird. 11/10/20 offense date, filed 5/9/22. So crazy. It's so weird. Anyway, guys, now that you can see it, you know, it's all documented here. Everything's documented. So thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to bring that up because what does this mean? Like what does this actually mean? Because as far as I'm concerned, like he kept saying he didn't have a case, and it's a public case. So what do you mean you were in silence? It's a public record case. So what do you mean you were in silence and stayed 10 toes down? Bro, you were getting people arrested out here. What are you speaking on? All right, man. I'll see you guys on Saturday Night Live. We'll jump into this. We'll deep dive into this. Have a good day.